Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your science teacher Salma Boyo, and today we will learn about the third lecture of general science, and topic is transfer of heat. So students, in our first lecture we have studied about the heat and temperature. Also we have learned about the three states of matter, and now we are going to start our third lecture, and topic is transfer of heat. So students, as you know that heat can be transferred from one form to another form. So now we are going to start transfer of heat through conduction. There are so many types through which heat can be transferred, such as conduction, convection and radiation. But now we will learn about the transfer of heat through conduction. It means the movement of heat through solid such as metal is called conduction. Simply we can say that in conduction the heat can be transferred through solid things. ठीक है, conduction heat can move through solids. There are so many things such as metal is a solid. So solid can transfer heat very easily. So solid is called the good conductor of heat. In solid, the metal is the good conductor of heat because metal can easily conduct the heat. As you know that when you ever travel through the solids, heat can travel through the solids. You will know that if you have ever tried to stir a hot soap in a saucepan with a metal spoon, heat thermal energy flows quickly. Let's see, this is a spoon which is made up of metal. If this spoon is in a saucepan and the heat can travel very quickly from here to there, so your hand can burn very easily. You can get hot. So spoon can also get hot. So heat can travel very easily, very fast through metal. That's why metal is the good conductor of the heat. Spoon conducts heat from the soap to your hand. ठीक है, स्पून क्या करता है, आप जब भी खाना पकाते हैं जब भी हम, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है कि अगर हमारा स्पून पूरा मेटल का बना हुआ है तो हीट जल्दी से यहाँ से ट्रैवल करती है एंड तक और इस तरह हमारा हाथ चल जाता है. ठीक है, सो मेटल आर द बेस्ट कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट बिकॉज हीट कैन ट्रैवल ईजिली थ्रू दैम. Okay, cooking utensils are made up of metal, so that heat from the cooker can get to the food quickly. आपने देखा है कि जब भी हम खाना पकाते हैं तो जो उसका सॉसपैन का जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है वो बना हुआ होता है किसका, मेटल्स का. क्योंकि हीट जो है वो वेरी फास्ट वहाँ से ट्रैवल होती है और इस तरह हमारा खाना जो है वो ईजीली पक जाता है. ठीक है, but non-metal things such as glass and plastics tend to be the poor conductors of heat. Okay, what are the poor conductors of heat? Glass and plastics. Plastics and glass are the poor conductor of heat. Look at this spoon, its end is made up of plastics. Why it is made up of plastic? Because plastic is a poor conductor of heat. ठीक है, और इस वजह से हमारा हाथ जो है वो नहीं है जलता. ठीक है, मोस्टली जो हमारे स्पून्स होते हैं उनका जो एंड होता है वो या तो वुड का बना हुआ होता है या तो प्लास्टिक का. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमें अवॉइड करता है कि हमारा हाथ जो है वो ना जले. ठीक है, क्योंकि मेटल से, अगर ये पूरा मेटल का बना हुआ होगा तो हीट जो है वो ईजीली स्टील से या मेटल से क्या करेगी, ट्रैवल करेगी. सो इंसुलेटर्स कौन से होते हैं, वो होते हैं जो कि पुअर कंडक्टर होते हैं किसके, हीट के. यानी कि प्लास्टिक इज ऑल्सो इंसुलेटर. प्लास्टिक इज इंसुलेटर, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, दीज आर द इंसुलेटर. वुड इज ऑल्सो इंसुलेटर. मटीरियल सच एज फर, फीदर, वूल, प्लास्टिक, foam and glass and minerals wool are also good insulator. Poor conductor of heat are called insulator. It means from insulators heat cannot pass. insulator से heat pass नहीं होती. Which things are insulator? Wood is a insulator. Plastic is a insulator. Glass is a insulator. These all things are also solids but heat cannot travel through them because these things are non conductors. ठीक है, ये क्या होते हैं? इंसुलेटर्स होते हैं. नॉन कंडक्टर्स मीन्स दीज आर insulator. Heat cannot travel through them. Okay, so as you know that the fur feathers, wool, plastic, foam and glass or mineral wool are a good insulator because they contain pockets of trapped hair. Animals, mostly the animals contain fur feather. And in cold ठंडक में क्या होता है कि एनिमल्स के जो फर्स होते हैं वो उनको क्या करते हैं? बचाते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब उनमें से ट्रैप जो है वो एयर नहीं होती, तब इसी वजह से वो क्या होते हैं? गुड जो है वो इंसुलेटर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंडक्शन मीन्स ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट थ्रू सॉलिड. And the best conductor is metal. Metal is the good conductor of heat. Look at this. This is a man. ठीक है, you can stir the hot soup with a metal spoon, but not for long because your hand will burn. Okay, so conduction and kinetic theory. If the one end of metal bar is heated, particles gain thermal energy and vibrate faster. Look at this spoon. This spoon end is made up of metal. If this end is heated, its particles gain thermal energy and vibrate faster. So they cause the particles to next to vibrate faster as well, bit by bit, and increase the vibration of the particles and along the particles bar until the whole bar is hot. So ये क्या करते हैं? हीट को जो है वो यहाँ से ट्रांसफ़र होती है और फिर जो एंड है मेटल बार का, इसको भी क्या कर देती है? हीट कर देती है, और इसकी वजह से हमारा जो हाथ है वो बर्न हो सकता है. सो हीट हैज़ बिन कंडक्टेड अलॉन्ग द बार. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. एज यू नो दैट कॉपर इज़ द बेस्ट कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. दैट्स वाई द मोस्टली वायर्स of electricity are made up of copper because they contain heat 10 times better than the iron. So thank you students. Your homework is solve exercise number 2 on book page number 5 in your rough copy and send to me. Thank you. Have a good day.